Mommy, if you see it.
There's like a sickness.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight.
Fluval SPEC 3, and you can see it's perfect for my little beta. I have some neon tetras in there and a Cory catfish, and somewhere in there is an apple snail. I do a 50% water change about every 3 or 4 weeks, and everybody lives happily in here. Even though it's a small tank, the filtration system is really good. And it's been keeping my live plants in there, the moss ball, and I have one little live plant in there. And everybody's happy in this little thing. The filtration system is really good. Keeps the tank very clean. I like it better than a similar tank of another brand, but